we have already coordinated with the Securities and Exchange Commission, checking the board of directors of all the 15 contractors na binanggit ng ating Pangulo. So, eto na naman, hindi ko pa masasabi sa inyo na in detail, but then, initially, we found that some of these contractors, at least 7 of them or 8 of them, have interlocking directors. Alam nyo, ibig sabihin nun, yung sabihin natin, wag na tayong magbanggit ng pangalan ng contractor, ABCDE. ABCDE contractors have the same sets of officers. So, talagang nakakakita kami ng rigging ng bidding process. No? Yung ABCDEFG na yan, nakipag-bid sila, kahit na sino manalo doon, kanila pa rin. Sila pa rin. Positive ang aming trabaho for the people, positive for the people ng ating mamamayan na galit na sa corruption. No, may nakita na kami ng mga meron tayong magandang kaso against yung personalities involved. DPH officer, DPWH officer, and contractors.